Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ruchi. I know we have a lot to catch up. It's been 2 years I came over on YouTube, but that would be another story for another video. With the title and the thumbnail, you already know like what I'm gonna share in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, I moved to the Netherlands maybe last year, and I have been doing on and off content creation and doing some solo travel. So it sometimes becomes really hard for me to take out my tripod, set it across and take a video, because for the photos you can give it to a person and ask them to click a couple of pictures and they will do that for you. But when it comes to videos, you have to set the tripod, set the angle and all of that in a tourist spot. Makes me a little uncomfortable because I am traveling alone. If I have a partner or somebody, then I have to take a tripod setup. I still don't feel that awkward. So in that scenario, I started looking out for cameras, because even when I'm walking and I need to do a talking video, I'm not much comfortable sometimes to take out my phone and then do this. So I was looking for a tiny camera and there were a lot of options to choose from. I was literally confused with two of the sets. One is Insta360 Go Ultra and the other was DJI Pocket 3. I was so confused with these two versions, but then I ultimately made my choice and bought the Insta360, and you're gonna see the unboxing. If you are here for the review or for me explaining the specs or how we can shoot, sorry, I would catch that up in another video as a review once I use this camera and took this camera for my upcoming solo trip, and probably after that I could be able to create a very good review video about this and how well we can use this if you're traveling solo. So for now we're just going to do the unboxing and see what all I have got, because I purchased the Insta360 Go Ultra of Creator Bundle. Here you go. This is the camera I got. I got it in Arctic White. I know the white can be a little popping sometimes when you want to stick it with the pendant, or you want to, do it with the magnet thing. But the white was really cute, although the accessories that come along with this is in black color. So if you're a person who wants everything to be monochromatic and don't want your camera to pop up, sometimes black is the better option. But for me, the white one wins the heart. So let's do an unboxing of this pretty cute tiny camera. So this is how it comes as, and neatly and nicely packed. So first we would see the accessories which we have got with this. This is a pivot stand, and I have heard a lot about this. It has a magnetic thing on one side, and on the side you can stick it to any plane surface, and this can be very good for your POV shots if you want from the top, or if you want from the side, the walking shots. If you don't have the magnetic mount everywhere, you can just still use this one to take your shots. The second one is a quick release mount, and it is also a very great tool if you want to use it. I still have to figure out how I would like to use this. Probably I can mount this with my stand or some areas, but yeah, I have to figure this one out. So the next one is mini 2-in-1 tripod. I had heard a lot about this as well. So this you can use as a vlogging tripod, and also you can use this as a standalone. Let's unbox this one first, because I am just so excited to see this one. It has quite a few things to add on to. Okay. This is what it looks like. I think we have a button over here which we can use it as a Bluetooth, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we can just separately take this out and also click pictures and videos, I believe. This is really cute. I don't know how this comes out. I have to figure it out, I think. But anyways, this is the one. It feels pretty sturdy, and it is really cool. It has a very tiny 3 leg that comes out. I have to figure out how I have to open it. But yeah, this feels pretty good. And now for the main part, we will just directly go into the camera. So I have bought the creator bundle. That's why I got these accessories tagged along. And if I just want this camera alone, this would be coming in as a package like this. So let's unbox this together. So this is how it comes out, and this is the tiny camera I was talking about. It's already sticked over here. So this is the cool small camera. Oh wow, that I like the unboxing and the creativity. So you have your user manual and all the stuffs that you would need in, and then comes this box. So it is written Think Big. That's pretty cool. And then this says accessories. Let's unbox this. Ooh, okay, so I have seen a lot about this one, which is a pendant where you can just stick your camera and you can just put it like this underneath your cloth, and then yeah, so this is it. And you can just, you know, this would go underneath your cloth and it would not be visible, and you can just, you know, hands-free camera and you can record, which is pretty cool for me. Like, I don't have to think about, oh, people are looking at me. Then you have this mount which is used for your cap. You can just plug it in your cap, and then you can again use this here, and then it becomes your cap thing. Pretty cool. Everything is very strong, mind you that, like pretty strong. Oh wow, this is the tiny hanging thing which I was seeing in everybody's camera. Okay, so this one as well. Then comes the action board, which is this one. So we are just gonna unbox this together. I always like this. And you can use this camera over here, flip the camera, and you can see yourself while you're recording. So you can take YouTube videos, reels, shorts, probably like this as well. It's a perfect tiny camera, and you know how now it feels, everything put together. I literally love this camera so much. And this is the tiniest purchase I have made. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick, a little bit messier unboxing. Probably I will catch you up in another video really soon to update you with all the review and the specs and how you can use that. But definitely that will be coming up after some time, because I would be taking this buddy with me for my solo trip, and we will see how we can use this and how cool vlog we can shoot. So I will catch you up in another video. Until then, bye. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and I hope this time I show up more often here. So yeah, bye.